In today's video, I am going to teach you how to measure engagement in GA4. Measuring engagement in Google Analytics 4 is a little different from older versions of analytics. GA4 focuses on active interaction, not just simple page views. The main metrics you will want to pay attention to are engagement rate, average engagement time, and engaged sessions per user. Before we click anywhere, it helps to understand what GA4 considers an engaged session. A session is counted as engaged if it lasts at least 10 seconds, or if it includes at least one conversion, or if the user views 2 or more pages or screens. This definition is important because it means engagement is based on meaningful activity, not quick visits that end right away. To start, open Google Analytics and go to the Analytics home area for your GA4 property. This is the main landing page where GA4 summarizes performance and gives you quick access to reporting. From there, locate and click on Overview. The Overview area is designed to give you a high-level snapshot, and it is typically the fastest place to confirm whether engagement is trending in the direction you expect. As you review what you see, remember that engagement rate is the percentage of sessions that meet the engaged session criteria we just covered. If your engagement rate is rising, it usually means users are spending more time completing key actions or navigating beyond a single page. Next, click on the section labeled A. In many GA4 layouts, this is a navigation entry within the reporting experience that takes you into a more specific view related to performance and user behavior. Use this area to keep your focus on engagement-related reporting, rather than getting distracted by metrics that only reflect traffic volume. Finally, click on User Activity by Cohort. This view helps you understand engagement over time for groups of users who share the same starting point, such as the date they first visited. Cohort analysis is useful because it shows whether users keep coming back and staying active after their first session. When you compare cohorts, look for patterns like stronger engagement for users from certain time periods, campaigns, or content launches. Take your time reviewing these engagement signals together, since each metric adds context. Engagement rate shows quality, average engagement time reflects attention, and engaged sessions per user indicates consistency. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.